Hello, someone asked for a quick update to see if my bike still works, so figure I'd give a little heads up and show people that it still works. There's the odometer. I have put on 1,298 miles. Everybody knows because of COVID happened, I haven't been riding my bike to work for the past, pretty much since it started. I've been working from home, so I was in the working from home still, so I figured I would make the video real fast. So here's the bike. Still good. Like I said, the only issue that I have, which isn't really an issue for me now, is I can't use this top ring right here. If I do, the chain will fall off. Let's see if I can demonstrate that. So here's the throttle. It's going. Finally fixed everything. Just at 1. Let's see if I can shift. That's down. One, 2, 3. And then there's the final gear. See if it'll go off. It might not, because I'm not actually on the bike putting pressure on it. Turn it up. So I don't have my brake sensor on, so it'll keep on doing this all day until I stop the wheel. Then it'll actually stop because I don't have my brake sensor on. So then it'll stop. But if I just do this, it'll keep on going until it goes. It's right there. Okay, I guess it's only if I put, if I'm on the bike and I switch to that last gear, will it do that? So, other than that, it doesn't. So I can, I was gonna go on a quick little ride, go up a hill, kind of show people. So, shift back out of there. And I guess I'll keep this rolling. I'll probably edit it, see if I know how to edit, to give you guys a good little view of what's going on. All right, so let's hop on here and see how it goes. Oops. I don't have a GoPro or anything, but let's see here. There's one. There we go. The engine's kicking in. Going, I don't know if you can see that or not. 2, not pedaling, still rolling, still good. I'll go be in the shade right here. Let's pump up the power. 4, 5. So right now it's saying that was 16 miles per hour, but my gears are pretty low, so that was without me, let's stop. That was out without me pedaling. I was able to go 16 miles per hour in pretty high gear. So if I shift down, I should be able to go a little bit faster. So when I ride this time, I'll shift and I'll see if I can get you guys a nice representation of how fast it goes. So this is the fastest right here, the hardest gear. And then there you go. Let's see here. It's in the highest gear now, or the lowest, whatever that is. I'm really not sure, but I got 26 on that, it said. It's kind of hard to see with the sun. It's like 90 something degrees today. Let's start from going. Let's see. It's going pretty fast. I see it 26, 27, 28, 29. So right there, I'm not good at riding. I'm not great. I don't do no hands on the bike, but right there it was at 29.5 miles per hour. It's shown, and it was actually increasing. I just stopped because I was going around that bend right there, so I had to slow down because I knew the trucks and cars and everything might be going, so I slowed down. But yeah, I love the bike. It goes fast. And actually, let's see if I can get that chain error for you guys. So I'll shift it down to 2 or 3, and then I'll see if I shift to the highest gear, and I'll show you guys how the chain falls off and how I just easily fix it. It's not an issue. And there it went. So it falls off, you just stop. Get off. I usually use my kickstand on this instance. So